Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing SOLAS Chapter 5 with a particular focus on Regulation 33 and impact of operating an unhealthy ships on its operation and obligations. To begin with, SOLAS Chapter 5 Regulation 33 outlines the responsibilities of ship's masters in distress situation. According to this regulation, if a master receives information about the people in distress at sea, they are obligated to proceed with all possible speed to provide assistance irrespective of circumstances, nationality, or the status of those in need. These regulations emphasize the importance of a coordinated and human response, mandating not only aid but also close collaboration with search and rescue authorities to ensure survivors are safely disembarked at the earliest opportunity. Now let's explore the broader effects on operating what we call an unhealthy ship on its operations, crew, and passengers. An unhealthy ship generally refers to one with poor maintenance, inadequate safety measures, or insufficient living and working conditions. Legally and regulatory compliance. Finally, operating an unhealthy ship risks breaching safety, health, and environmental regulations set by maritime authorities. Non-compliance can lead to fines, penalties, or even the grounding of the vessel, directly affecting profitability and operational stability. That's all. Thank you.